Math learners, I'm back. In this discussion, we will discuss about equation of a line. When we say equation of a line, the equation of a line is typically written as y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is our y-intercept. Don't forget that. Equation of a line. An equation whose graph is a line is called linear equation. When you say linear equation, from the word line, you can form a graph, and that is a line. Ax plus by is equal to c. Any linear equation can be written in standard form, and that will be in standard form of the equation of the line. The properties of equality will be used in transforming any linear equation into standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and that will be the general form of the equation of a line. Let's have an example for that. Write the linear equation y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 5 into standard form. So we'll make this equation to standard form. We'll transform the equation to standard form. The given y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 5. Both sides are multiplied by 4. So we need to multiply all sides or both sides by 4. So 4 times y, and that is 4y. So 4 in our denominator here will be cancelled out. That's why 3x. So negative 5 times 4, that's why negative 20. Negative 3x was added to both sides because we need to eliminate 3x from the right side. So negative 3x plus 4y was added to the left side, which is negative 3x, is equal to 3x from the right side plus negative 3x that is added. That's why 3x here will be cancelled out. Remaining will be negative 20. Or just simply 3x will be transposed to the other side. From positive 3x will turn to negative 3x. That's why negative 3x plus 4y equals to negative 20. Standard form of slope-intercept form. The formula for that is y is equal to mx plus b. Don't forget the formula. Ax plus by equal to c. That will be our starting equation. Transpose ax to the other side. So the remaining will be by. Positive ax, when you transpose that to the other side, it will turn to negative ax. That's why negative ax here. Divide each side by b. We need to divide each side by b so that y here will remain. So y is equal to negative a over b x plus c over b. Using the formula y is equal to mx plus b, our m here is found here, and our b, which is our y-intercept, which is here, from our formula of the y is equal to mx plus b. Therefore, the slope m is equal to negative a over bx. And our y-intercept b is equal to c over b. Don't forget those formulas. Our slope, our y-intercept. I will give you an example for that. Determine the slope and y-intercept of the line 7x plus 4y is equal to 19. Solution. Our a is 7 our b is 4, our c is equal to 19. Because in our standard form, remember, ax plus by is equal to c. That will be our standard form, right? So a can be found here, b will be found here, our c found here. So that's why our a is 7, our b is 4, and our c is 19. Those are the given values. Don't forget, using the formula, slope m is equal to negative a over b. So we have already the values of a and b. So we will substitute the values of a and b. So our a is 7, our b is 4. So negative 7 over 4. Is there a need for you to simplify that? No. And that will be our final answer. It is already in simplest form. Y-intercept, or known as b, or denoted as b. The formula for our y-intercept b is equal to c over b. The value of c is 19 and the value of b is 4. And that is equal to, or substitute all the values of c and b. Our c is 19, our b is 4. That's why 19 over 4. 19 over 4 is already in simplest form, and that will be our final answer. So let's continue our discussion about point-slope form of the equation of a line. Derivation of the point-slope form. Before we go on to the exact formula, let's derive the point-slope form. Given m is equal to y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1. Use the multiplication property. So, we will multiply x minus x sub 1 to m. And this will be the result. M quantity x minus x sub 1 equals to y minus y sub 1. So, we need to put the y values to the left side and the x values to the right side. So, we will just interchange the pattern, because y must be put at the left side as always. So that's why y minus y sub 1 is equal to m quantity x minus x sub 1. And this will be our formula for the point slope form. Steps in getting the point slope form of the equation of the line. First step, determine the given values. So you need to determine the given values and what is required. Number 2, substitute the given values while using the point slope form. Number 3, simplify. Your final answer must be in simplest form. You need to simplify everything. Example, find the equation of the line with slope negative 5 and passes through the coordinates of 2, negative 3. Step 1, we need to find the given values. The given values, we already have the slope, which is negative 5, and the coordinates 2, negative 3. So our m is equal to negative 5. This will be our m, right? So this coordinate, we can rewrite this as our x sub 1, y sub 1. That's why our x sub 1 is equal to 2 and y sub 1 is equal to negative 3. Step 2. Substitute all the given values. and use the point slope form. The point slope form formula is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m quantity x minus x sub 1. Substitute the given values. Y minus the y sub 1 is negative 3. That's why y minus quantity negative 3 is equal to our m is negative 5, quantity x minus our x sub 1 is 2. That's why negative 5 quantity x minus 2. Then we need to simplify. Negative times negative 3 is equal to positive 3. Then we will use the distributive property for this one. We need to distribute negative 5 to each term. Negative 5 times x, that's why negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 2, that's why positive 10. Transpose 3 to the other side. We need to transpose 3 to the other side or to the right side. From positive 3 will turn to in negative 3. So it will turn to negative 3. And step 3, simplify. So that's why y is equal to negative 5x plus 10 minus 3. So to simplify that, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. And our final answer is y is equal to negative 5x plus 7. Example number 2. Find the equation of the line with slope 2 and passes through the coordinates 4, 2. Step 1. We need to find the given values. The given values, we already have the slope and the coordinates. So this will be our m. We can name this coordinate x sub 1, y sub 1. That will be our given values. M is equal to 2, x sub 1 is equal to 4, and y sub 1 is equal to 2. Step 2. We need to substitute the given values. Before that, we will use the point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m quantity x minus x sub 1. Substitute the given values. Y minus the given values of y sub 1 is 2. That's why y minus 2 is equal to the given values of our slope m is 2. Quantity x minus the given values of x sub 1 is 4. That's why 2 quantity x minus 4. Then we need to simplify. Y minus 2, we will use distributive property for this one. 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times negative 4, and that is negative 8. Then we will transpose negative 2 to the other side. From negative will turn to positive. So negative 2 will turn to positive 2. And that is y is equal to 2x minus 8 plus 2. Then we still need to simplify that. That will be our step 3. Negative 8 plus 2, and that is negative 6. And the final answer is y is equal to 2x minus 6. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to answer the given formative assessment.